Not those. Okay, everybody's got a pile. Connor, there's your pile. Nevaeh, yours in the middle. Don't open anything yet. And Ty's over on the side. Okay. Pick one. And start opening. This is from Grandma and Grandpa in Nebraska. Here, you go get a present. Go get a present.
Open!
What are you going to open?
Now what's our thing? There's a new box.
What is
It's a
it?
box.
Hold on.
Is it what you always
What is it,
wanted?
Connor? Open it up, Connor. I'm going to let Connor go first so we can see Connor.
You want to help
Oh,
her?
get Ty. Yeah, thank you. What else is it? Oh, what is it? Ready? Oh, yay! Yay! Say thank you. All right, let's go.
Okay, now it's a box.
Hold on.
I can do that.
You're close. Here, Nevaeh's turn.
Wait, what do you got? Show us what you got.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Cool. What else?
Now it's this.
Awesome.
What's this? Oh, it's a shirt.
It's a shirt.
What's this?
New jammies with dinosaurs.
Those are small. Oh. It doesn't have
Oh, cool. And
What about new pants?
new pants. Awesome. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
You say it in the camera.
Thank you.
Okay, Nevaeh's turn. What? Oh my goodness gracious, what did you get?
A Bobby, a Passion
Oh my goodness. Connor, hold on, wait. Oh my goodness, you wanted that, didn't you? Oh. Hold on, Connor, wait. What else is in the box?
That's it.
Oh, it's a new play dress. Oh my goodness gracious. That is cute.
I'm almost done.
Nevaeh,
What
that
about
is so cute.
It's a very time.
That goes to the dress. That's your own dress, just like your Barbie. What do you say?
Thank you.
Aww.
What's on mine? I open mine.